Ready with me talk?
Yeah, this is my brother, you know. The man, with the people that call it blind. I don't call it blind still, you know, but it's just a dark side, you know. But why? I don't know. The man is unusual. Because some things when I see him do, not even man with eyes wide open can't do what him do. Real thing name Norman.
Yes, basically I'm Norman, as the brethren have just said. I got my education at the Kilmarnock All-Age School back then, but because of my eye problem I had to go to Kingston, where I complete my education at the Salvation Army School for the Blind. Well, after graduating, this was not my initial plan. I wanted to pursue a course in the commercial field, but you know, my people, my parents, they were not financially equipped to assist me. So I said, okay, fine, I'm not gonna hang around and make myself a fool. I'm gonna engage in this very hectic and difficult job called farming. And believe you me, my brothers and my sisters have been doing this for over 30 years. It's a job that, you know, you would regard it as, you know, it's an ups and down thing. There are times when you harvest a bumper crop and the price is exceptionally low. So as a result of that, you don't make no much money. And another time, the harvest is good and the money is up. So therefore, you know, as Jamaicans would say, you eat a nice food. You see what I mean?
Yeah, man, real thing.
Yeah. So basically now what I'm actually engaged in is cabbage production. That's my main crop. That's the source from which I get my, you know, the most of my money. I also get involved in sweet potatoes production, banana, plantain, cocoa, dashi, yam, and corn, you know, also cucumbers. But as I've said before, my main crop is cabbage production. And I've been doing this pretty well. You know, there are times when things not as how I would like it to be, but it's my job, so I just continue.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man.
Yeah,
the man have him farm, and I tell you, say.
Yeah.
I don't know him do it still.
What you could do, my brother, you can just one video.
Yeah.
My farm over there.
Yeah, come in now, man.
Easy, man.
Yes, brother.
Now, man, you know how the cocoa me that come from.
Really?
Then,
Yes, why?
blessed.
Yeah, man.
This is my brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my elder brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Nah, man, star.
Yeah.
I don't know how
So
the man.
who this man I know?
Purge,
This
man.
man named Purge, Sako's
From
grandson.
Pasako's grandson, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Real man.
Yeah, man. But trust me, I don't know how now me do it, star. Yeah, a real thing.
I'll keep it with some man.
I don't know how now me do it.
Go some man.
Trust me, if you're a man, boy. Sometimes I wonder if now me can assist, star. No, for real. The things that I'm missing.
It's totally gone.
The things that I'm missing now me do. Trust me. Yeah, you know. Chad right now. Just show the man farm.
Real man.
Yeah.
Let's get over here.
Yeah, man. See? Man have all in bag wire. Man knows the bag wire there. You see me? Bag wire, yeah?
Yes, my loving people, this is a part of my farm.
Yeah.
It's cabbage,
See,
as you can observe.
Yeah, man.
And put
Cabbage.
it here, man. This is a few hills of yam.
Yeah, man.
Right.
Yam.
And as I've said before, there are a few cocoa in
Cocoa.
it. Yeah, but the priority is strictly cabbage.
Cabbage, yeah.
Yeah.
So like all the yam now, you dig the yam?
Yes, I prepare the hills, mow the hills, plant the yam, and get the stick and stick it, and put the yam whisk on it, and it gets.
So where you get the stick? You cut the stick?
Yes. I cut it from out of a bamboo root.
No, now me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
man.
hear man say?
Yeah.
Him cut the bamboo stick and come dig the hole, plant it.
And plant it.
And put
then
the yam
I put
around
the
it.
yam whisk on it.
Yeah.
And look how fluffy it is.
Yeah.
I can tell you right now that I'm gonna get a very good harvest out of these.
Yeah, man.
cereals.
See there?
They're looking good.
Me talk about a man with not seeing, you know. No, me think
Totally
it's a
blind.
joke.
Totally blind.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, totally blind.
Blind as in just the eye, but the vision.
Yeah, mentally.
Yeah, man.
It's
The
up there,
vision
man.
Up there, man. For real.
It's up there.
Yeah, man. A beautiful hills of Kilmarnock. You see the beauty? Yeah, man. Great place, you know. But me I tell you.
Yeah, just to let the people understand, basically, like when I am planting, I bend down because of the inability to see.
Yeah.
I couldn't go through by standing.
Oh.
It would make sense. I have to travel through the farm by touching my plant and put over my foot that it doesn't damage them.
Yeah.
You
Weed
know
it
what I mean?
out.
So in other words, I navigate my way through by feeling.
Yeah.
Right, and I do this on a daily basis.
In terms of caring my plant.
Yeah, so even
One thing that I have done is I acquired the service of another farmer. In this case, it's my nephew.
yeah.
He is the man who does the spraying for me.
Okay.
Because if I should take it on, it would bring too much stress on the
Yeah,
back.
yeah,
Because
yeah.
I would have to feel each plant individually.
Yeah,
and it
yeah,
would
yeah.
bring too much stress on the back. So he's the man who's doing it for me right now. That's the spraying.
Yeah.
That's the only thing another man come in my farm and does.
Yeah.
Spraying. I prepare the land, fork it, and then plant the cabbage as you all can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's Norman.
Yeah, man.
AKA Daylight.
Yeah, man. Nah, man. AKA Daylight from Kilmarnock.
Yeah, man.
St. Elizabeth, you know. We up in the mountain, you know. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
But as me I see, I love this reach world still to see. Boy,
Yeah.
there is nothing as
Impossible.
blindness
Yeah.
or impossible because
Yeah.
if you're a man who can't see, can do so much. And the man who are alive right now, a crime them I deal with, them not deal with no production. And them have them eye. The shares of the world, trust me, different place, you know.
But my man make up his mind to do positive things, man. It can
Nothing
happen.
can stop it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you just have to have that mindset.
yeah,
You can't get yourself bogged down into this negativity all your life.
yeah,
That's the wrong path, you know.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, man. Real thing, this man. Nah, man, you know, I gotta send it to the world star.
Yes, I am. How you mean?
Yeah.